Welcome, my name is Abad and in this video, I'd like to introduce you to Robot Process Automation or RPA, but first, let's talk about Abad. Abad is a German company founded in 1998, with offices in Bremen, Oldenburg, Wolfsburg, Waldorf, St. Ingbert, and Munich. Also we have international locations in USA, Mexico, East Europe and China. That's our industry focus. Automotive, discrete manufacturing, logistics. But now let's talk about RPA. RPA is a technology that replicates human actions on a computer, executing repetitive tasks with speed, accuracy, and consistency. It allows organizations to optimize efficiency while enabling employees to focus on higher value activities. But why use RPA? Saves time, increases efficiency, reduces errors, improves security and compliance, boosts employee satisfaction, and scale automation across the business. But to make the most of RPA, you need more than just software, you need a strategy. At Abad, we help businesses identify which processes to automate, optimize those processes, and design solutions that fit perfectly into their broader business objectives. Collaboration is key in RPA. IT teams know the systems. Business teams know the processes. At Abad, we connect both, so automation works technically and makes sense for the business. Our approach to RPA focuses on customization, continuous innovation, and specialized SAP knowledge. We aim for measurable results and pride ourselves on having a highly skilled team dedicated to exceeding client expectations. Our RPA solutions are flexible. They can run in the cloud or on your own servers. They work with enterprise and virtual apps, support strong local setups, and scale as needed. Development is fast, and our tools make debugging and maintenance easier. To illustrate the real impact of RPA, let me share a success story from our collaboration with Volkswagen Mexico. 39 processes automated. Logistics, human resources, technical areas, production. 72 main bots plus 460 sub-bots. Major time savings, and boosted operational efficiency. RPA can be challenging. There may be complex processes, resistance to change, bot maintenance, data issues, and need for monitoring. Our partnership with Volkswagen Mexico made a real impact. They increased monthly transactions by 67% and reduced manual work by 38%. Before closing, I'd like to share a few examples of real projects we've developed. Automating the verification of foreign invoices and integrating the data into ERP systems. Automatically registering vendor invoices in SAP from XML files. Testing web applications to ensure reliable deployments. Managing simultaneous postings across multiple social media platforms. Building solutions to compare product prices from different online portals. Retrieving and reporting global market data by email. Monitoring official government publications for relevant business updates. Downloading port traffic data from Hamburg and Veracruz. These examples show just how versatile and impactful RPA can be across different industries and business functions.